This is Win the Storm 2018. I want people in that room who are sitting here with a business hat on to understand this is business.
For 2.5 days, a lot of content, a lot of motivation.
Oh yeah, baby!
Never give up and you never quit, Travis.
Absolutely. I mean, I figure my wife's still here. I might as well keep going and have the ability to hopefully change people's outlook on their life too. So that's what I try to do every day.
How to grow, how to scale your business. You better book your ticket and get out of here now.
I can't believe this Steve Badger guy's up there on stage talking about the industry. We're going to get up there and eat him for breakfast.
It's, to me, mind-boggling that an adverse adjuster just needs to have a business card and be breathing and work for an insurance company. And he could negotiate.
Oh yeah, John. You know, I'm not talking about negotiating a claim or acting as a lawyer of public justice. I'm just talking about being an entrepreneur. The contractor's actually doing the work. It's being pushed down, told he can't talk.
All right, don't tell the insurance industry I said this,
right?
But they shouldn't, right? They should not do it without a license. I agree.
Win the Storm 2018, everybody is so excited because first of all, we're all together in the industry, storm restoration, getting together, networking.
It's just been extremely impressive. The setting, the speakers, having all of these industry people together in one place, it's really powerful.